We've got a no heat call today. I already got this cover off to save time. Let's turn the heat on. This is a heat pump. I'm gonna turn the heat to on. I heard the contactor click. All right, look right there. Our contactor is engaged. The 24 volt is making it to the contactor. We do not have a low voltage issue, but this contactor looks a little jacked. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna kill the power to this. You can see the contactor just completely came apart. I'm gonna ohm this out. I've got my meter set to ohms. We should have nothing here, but when this is pressed in, we should be getting continuity like we are up here. And then nothing down there. So we're gonna swap this contactor out. Easy fix. We've got our new contactor right here. I'm just gonna pull these wires and match them up, assuming that everything's hooked up correctly. Yellow and blue is gonna be our 24 volt to the coil. The brown's the common. Your diagram may vary. Always consult your diagram, your wiring diagram, when wiring anything electrical. We got line 1, line 2, as this is a 240 volt heat pump. If you're replacing a contactor, make sure that you have make sure the coils match up. This one's a 24 volt coil and can handle up to 480 volts. And this is going to be a much better connection than the old contactor. Just to show you new people how to ohm out a contactor, take off the cover. I'll put this back on before we fire it up. Set your meter to ohms. This is always going to have constant power on this leg. We've got an open circuit right now when the contactor is pushed in. When it's energized by the 24 volt going to the contactor coil, it makes a path of electricity and closes. Pretty simple troubleshooting. If you have any questions about the steps that I took, leave a comment. If you want more simplistic videos of HVAC troubleshooting, let me know in the comments below. But until the next fix, I'm Dave. Hope to see y'all there.